name is Yogesh Agarwal, and if you're still struggling to generate enough traffic for your website, page, or offer, then today I'm going to show you can generate hundreds of thousands of free visitors to any page or offer you want, working just 15 minutes per day. And you can do it without any budget, without any tech skills, or without any experience. Look at some of the results our users are getting already. If you're still busting your ass trying to make free traffic work by spamming your links all over social media, only to generate few tens of visitors and getting banned everywhere within a few days, or spending way too much money on paid ads like Facebook and Google, only to receive bot traffic from fake profiles and IPs that don't buy anything and going broke fast every passing day. Let me tell you, there's a much better and faster way to generate hundreds of thousands of visitors to your sites, on demand without any hassle or headache. How exactly? Social micro videos. Every time you scroll on any social media sites, chances are you must have seen them. They're easy to consume, they grab attention fast, provide value in a short span of time. They are engaging and go viral easily. They get people to take actions. They're even used in ads. They are everywhere. Facebook, Instagram. Every other viral video is a social micro video. You cannot escape them. In fact, you need to leverage them. But, a big but, just one video is not enough. You need hundreds of them going out every single week, which is literally impossible without a huge team, without huge resources, without huge budget. You need to create viral videos daily, create hundreds of videos, edit them, upload them all, make them attention-grabbing, manually post them spending hours, or hire an expensive agency. And that's why this traffic strategy that's so powerful and effective is only reserved for big celebrities, companies, or individuals with deep pockets. Most marketers fall flat on their face trying to replicate this strategy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can automate every aspect of this strategy. Spend just 15 minutes per day and generate as much traffic as you want in any niche. My name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm not a guru. I make decent money, mostly by solving complicated marketing issues and tiresome work by designing simple softwares. It's my passion, and I'm grateful to be able to help over 100,000 people generate more traffic and sales for their offers and businesses, which in turn has generated me and my company over $4 million in revenue in the last 6 years. So, after months of research and another few months of coding, I had a big breakthrough. I was finally able to break down and automate the entire process of generating hundreds of thousands of traffic to any page or offer using social micro videos in 3 simple steps and just 15 minutes per day. That would otherwise take weeks and a few team members. And do it without recording a video myself, without recording hundreds of videos, without complex editing, without hiring a huge team, without spending money on costly equipment or software, while using other people's videos legally, easily turning few videos into hundreds of videos, generating unlimited content on demand, using high converting and engaging done-for-you templates, spending just 15 minutes per day, using my software without any tech or design skills and no experience, and without spending a dime on traffic. Allow me to introduce Traffic100k. It's as quick as 3 simple steps. Step number 1, leverage. Find a viral video in your niche, or add a link to your old video, webinar, demo video, explainer video, or any kind of video that you want to use. Step number 2, multiply 100 times. Turn your videos into hundreds, little attention-grabbing, highly engaging social micro videos in just a click. Customize them all at once. Step number 3, profit. Add your link and publish right away to Facebook and Instagram, or schedule for weeks and months. Keep generating traffic hands-free. You can keep repeating the same process as many times as you want, to any niche you want, and generate as much traffic as you want. Now here's the deal. I've already done all the hard work for you. With Traffic100k, we simply take the basics, automate everything, and make sure all is done for you. So not just celebrities, big companies, media houses, but also normal people like you and me are able to leverage this strategy and make a killing with it. See, I'm a developer first. I love it when people like you use my software, get results, and send me a screenshot of the results just like this. And because of that, I'm offering you Traffic100k for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean a borderline crazy low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button, and I'll see you inside. Feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Also, I want to make sure you succeed right out of the gate with Traffic100k. So, in order to help you get results more rapidly, I have put together these additional bonuses for you. Number 1. 70 DFY viral templates. Number 2. 100 successful campaigns to take inspiration from. Number 3. How to scale massively with paid ads. Number 4. Step-by-step guide to make $100 a day with it. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally find a magic button. So, don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting Traffic100k at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. So I'm asking you, be smart and invest in Traffic100k right now. See you inside.